In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix recaptcha not working in Google Chrome. If the I'm not a robot box won't load, keeps spinning, or fails even when you click it, the issue is often tied to your browser's cache, an out-of-date Chrome version, a conflicting extension, or a content setting that's blocking scripts. We'll walk through a clean, safe sequence in Chrome to refresh your data, update the browser, rule out conflicts, make sure JavaScript is allowed, and, if needed, reset Chrome's settings to their defaults. With Chrome open, click the three dots in the top right corner to open the menu, then choose Settings. On the left, select Privacy and Security. Open Clear Browsing Data. In the dialog that appears, confirm you're OK to remove cached files and site data, then choose Delete Data. This step clears out corrupted cache and cookies that can break recaptcha. Note that it may sign you out of some sites, so be ready to log back in afterward. Next, return to the Chrome menu and go to Help, then About Chrome. This page automatically checks for updates. If an update is available, let it download and install, then relaunch the browser. Keeping Chrome current ensures you have the latest compatibility fixes and security patches that recaptcha depends on. Now open the menu again and choose Extensions, then Manage Extensions. Temporarily disable all extensions by switching their toggles off. Extensions like ad blockers, privacy tools, or script managers can interfere with recaptcha, so this step helps isolate the problem without uninstalling anything. Head back to Settings, select Privacy and Security again, then open Site Settings. Find JavaScript and make sure the option Sites can use JavaScript is enabled. Recaptcha requires JavaScript to run, and if it's blocked, the checkbox won't load or validate properly. If the problem still persists, scroll in Settings to find Reset Settings. Click Restore Settings to their original defaults, then confirm with Reset Settings. This returns Chrome's configuration to a known good baseline by restoring default settings and disabling extensions, but it does not remove your bookmarks, history, or save passwords. At this point, revisit the site using recaptcha and try again, clearing data, updating Chrome, disabling extensions, ensuring JavaScript is allowed, and resetting settings covers the most common causes of recaptcha issues. If everything is working, you can return to the extensions page later and turn back on what you need. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get past that stubborn "I'm not a robot" prompt.